Shut up. You shut up. Who do you think you are? You've ruined the video already. Talking over someone is an extremely important skill to master and is something that you should all definitely learn how to do yourself. The main reason why it is so important is because it helps to get other people to listen to what you have to say. When you talk while someone else is speaking, that should result in that other person speaking no more, which is a good thing because some people can talk for too long and that can result in their jaw getting tired. So talking over someone should definitely help to reduce the number of people that are queuing to get jaw transplant surgery. The final reason to talk over people is that it will help you to be alone. For some unknown reason, people just don't like it when you talk over them. When you talk over people, that should really annoy people to the point where they no longer want to speak to you, particularly if you constantly interrupt them. And that will result in you being in isolation. You are such a hypocrite. Would you be quiet? Please.
No.
So to perform the talk over someone technique, what you're going to want to do is to start talking and raising your voice whenever someone starts speaking. And if you can do this, then that will certainly lead you on the right path to success.
Absolute nonsense.
Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? I'm speaking. Do you mind?
No, I don't mind at all.
I'm trying to teach the people how to talk over someone and you've just interrupted me. That's not right. It's not ethical. Why are you doing this to me?
Because I can.
Would you stop it, please? You're bullying me and I don't like it. I was just trying to help the world. I don't deserve this treatment you're giving me.
Oh, you deserve it.
Why are you doing this to me?
Pretty sure I just told you
It's
why.
not right at all.
I'm afraid it is right.
If you continue to do this and talk over me like this, then I'm just gonna stop the video there and then.
Yes, please.
And then we'll see who gets the last laugh. Yeah, you keep this up. You see, and then I'll just end the video.
Please, I beg of you, please end it, please.
No, there'll be no more video if you continue.
I pray for that situation. That will be the best thing that could ever happen.
Have it your way. Video is done. No more video.
Yes!
I'm sorry to the viewers out there, but this is just unbearable.
You're unbearable.
Sorry.
Celebrate good times, come on!
So anyway, I'm going to end the video. Sorry it has been cut short. I didn't want it to be short. I was hoping to help teach you to talk over someone for a good 3 hours of tutorial, but you know, what is this?
What is what? Where am I?
I can't
Who
work
are you?
under these conditions. I don't think anyone can. No one should experience this torture.
The only torture is
persist.
you, I'm afraid. And I thought you said you're going to end the video.
What he's doing.
It's still going.
Who is this person
No one wants
anyway?
it to continue.
When I find you,
Just stop.
you're going to be in some serious trouble.
Oh no, please don't hurt me.
Just no one deserves this.
Except you.
Okay. Well, I'll see you all later.
Yes, I'll be seeing you later. In your nightmares.
Goodbye. I've decided to give it one more go and teach you all how to talk over someone properly because I don't really feel that I got the message across to you with all those interruptions that I was receiving. But don't worry, seems to have stopped now. So we can put that aside and I can finally teach you about talking over someone. So what you're going to want to do... I'm done. Just going to talk over the outro because no one really wants to hear this music. They want to hear my voice. They want to hear this voice because it's much more pleasing to the ear than the music.